everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I'm Carol and I hope you will consider subscribing. So one of my goals this year was to share more ways of using the things that we can and preserve. So today's video is going to be about using up our marmalade. Now I have several versions of marmalade on my channel, but most recently we made the Meyer lemon marmalade. You guys remember this? It was last month that we made it, I believe. Absolutely delicious. If you haven't had a chance to make it yet, I hope that you will give it a try because it is really good. Something a little bit different than a regular lemon marmalade or an orange marmalade. So we are in a season of Mother's Day, wedding showers, bridal showers, all those fun things happen in the spring. And just also people like to get together in the spring, the weather's getting nicer. So we're gonna use up our marmalade to make delicious tea cakes. And they would be perfect for a Mother's Day breakfast or lunch, for a bridal luncheon, or a baby shower. So I thought that this recipe would be fun to make. It's totally delicious and so easy and a perfect way to use one of the marmalades I know you have stashed in your home canned pantry. So we're going to start by mixing together our dry ingredients. I have a half a cup of all-purpose flour. To that, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and an eighth of a teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to beat together a half a cup of softened butter, which is the same as one stick, and a half a cup of granulated sugar. We're going to beat it until it's nice and creamy and well blended. Then we're going to add one large egg, a half a cup of plain Greek or vanilla yogurt, a half a cup of our marmalade, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients, and then we're going to stir on low speed just until incorporated. Then I'm going to use an ice cream scoop to evenly distribute the tea cake batter into a lined muffin tin. We're going to put into a preheated 350-degree oven and bake for about 15 to 18 minutes. They should spring back when touched lightly on the top. All right, so how easy was that? Perfect dessert to have, like I said, for your bridal showers, your birthday parties, and especially for Mother's Day. Now you can leave them in the paper liners if you want to keep them pretty for individual servings, especially for parties. But typically tea cakes are served without the paper liners, so like this. And then just before you serve them, give them a little bit of a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to show you what they look like on the inside. A little different than a muffin, but similar. But they have a beautiful crumb. Perfect with tea or coffee. So good. Not too sweet, beautiful texture, super easy to do. I hope you'll give it a try. We have tons of options for marmalade, so you can make all kinds of flavors. So get your marmalade out, make you some tea cakes, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.